Hi guys, let me explain. I'm doing this video to explain what you need to do for week 2. Week 2 you can be found in Unit 1, so I can either scroll down, and here's Unit 1. Again, your side, you'll actually see these. These won't be, these are turned off for you guys right now, so that's why. But they'll be bright and colorful when you can see them. Or you can click on this Unit 1 button now. I know these buttons are not coming across from you correctly still. I emailed technology. They're not sure what's going on. They said that some teachers are having that problem across district. So I'm waiting to see if it kind of fixes itself, or if not, I will change these up. I do believe, though, that you can still click on that picture. You guys get like a little picture on the yellow thing. You can click on that and see where it goes. But the Unit 1 folder is the third one over, so I can click on that and it brings me straight here. You will have week 2 open. And within week 2, here's the note packet. So if for whatever reason you have lost or you didn't pick up the supplies, you have the note packet here, and it is the pages we're doing. So this was the first page of the review, second page of the review. We are on 1.1 now is where we're going to start. So there's that packet. Then it tells you what to do week 2. So this is a read-through list of what to do this week. It kind of tells you everything that I'm telling you in this video, so you can read through that if you don't want to rewatch the video. Then the next thing that you're going to see in here is a quick video from the technology department on how to annotate a PDF. So the reason I want you to watch this or know how to do this, and some of you may already know how to do this, so you don't need to watch, is because I'm going to be giving you supplemental worksheets to work on, and I want you to be able to download this PDFs, take your Chromebook, write on it with your finger or your stylus, answer the questions, and then you're going to upload and send in that assignment, okay? So here's the actual, so after you've watched the video and understand how to do it, you're going to click on this guy, supplemental worksheets. I've PDF'd it in here and kind of wrote quick instructions. You probably won't be able to complete any of this until you've gotten through some of the notes, okay? So that is next. Then the next thing you see are the 1.1 notes. So I've walked you through all the 1.1 notes. And there's 1.1 Schoology assignment right below it, right here. You should be able to, after this set of notes, you should be able to do that first worksheet in that supplemental packet that I want you to annotate on your Chromebook, okay? Then there's 1.2 notes. So you'll watch the video, fill those out, and 1.2 homework. And then there's 1.3 notes and 1.3 homework. And by the end of all that, then you should be able to go back and finish all these supplemental worksheets, annotations, and solving for those, and then you'll turn that back in. So I put due dates of Wednesday for all these. Wednesday let me look at my calendar, I think the 23rd. Yep, Wednesday the 23rd at noon is when those need to be done. If they're done before that, perfect. You will have your small group meetings. First hour, your small group meeting is on Monday. And second hour, your small group meeting is on Tuesday. Those are the same times every week, same link, same people are in your small groups. So I will see you Monday, Tuesday. If you need a one-on-one conference, remember to click on that main screen, but I will show you which button that is. That is the second to the last button at the top. And here are your times offered. If you have questions, please throw those questions into the discussion board. And if it's a more personalized question, you may email me. All right, have a good week, guys, and good luck, and thanks.